Hey, what's up, everybody? So it is, what's the date? The 22nd?
21st?
21st? Let me just double check. I think you're right. Yeah, it's the 21st of August, 2020. And we're getting a little bit of thunder and lightning and rain in the Big Bear area. And I just noticed on the radar that we got something pretty good going on over by Fawnskin, but I don't think we'll make it on time because these storms move fairly quickly up here, but we're gonna try. It's almost to Fawnskin. Let me zoom in. It's like, yeah, that's, so we're the blue dot, and we're gonna drive to the left right there just to see if we can get any decent stormage. And my buddy Kevin's driving.
How you doing, guys?
You guys, if you guys have spent a lot of time up here, you would recognize him from Vaughn's. He's a cool dude. Very cool dude. But yeah, and then also, oh yeah, that's a big supercell over there. Oh man. Yeah, that is gonna be pretty heavy over there.
Once we go across Stanfield and get over in that area, it'll start coming down pretty good.
Yeah, for sure. So nice here, guys. And I was gonna get the car fully detailed a week ago, and we started getting the monsoonal thunder showers every day, and so sometimes the car wash wasn't even open. Wow, that's gonna be nice over there. Yeah. And then we got a big chopper right there. I wonder what he's up to. Not a big chopper, but see, this is moronic. You don't stop your lane to pull over. You merge when you have a chance. You don't put other people in danger like that moron. Sorry, I don't mean to be.
We stop and then cut across traffic, turn left.
I might drive like a kook sometimes, but you know, oh shoot, you know what? Hey, what's up, C? How you doing? Hey. Nothing much. How you doing? For sure, for sure. I am on a run to Fawnskin real quick, and then I'll be right back. And you know I don't lag, so we'll be quick. All right, my dear. I'll see you soon. Bye. All right.
All right.
Nailed it. Gosh, this is awesome. And you can tell over there it's really, really heavy too. Man, look at the sky there. Look at that. That's a cool. That like almost looks like you're looking from space down on the earth.
Right.
Doesn't that kind of look like the ocean? I don't know.
Kind of, yeah. If you were looking out on the ocean.
Thanks for appeasing me. And this is for you, buddy. I just got to clean off that part.
Oh yeah.
But it's a darn good one. So then I'll give you one of the screw things. It's a really good one, actually.
Nice. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
I was gonna say, when it comes season, first snow, I want to be in Holcomb Valley and then record it when it turns white, coming out and going through, and so on and so forth. Pretty bitchin'.
That would be bitchin'. You know what I'd like to do is one of those homes in Running Springs that are right on the cliff on Highway 18 that just have an unobstructed view of everything is set a time lapse up there. Asked them if they'd be cool about it. But yeah, just to see the storms coming in from so far away, like that should be so awesome.
Or even if you can set up a live webcam right there.
Yeah, totally. That would be for sure. Let's see here.
And it's like the perfect temperature out.
Yeah, totally. 68. Where I'm from, right at the beach, it was always like 72. It's all the time. That ocean really keeps it very temperate. I think that's the word. Yeah. So hopefully we actually get into a little something over here. It doesn't look like we will, unfortunately, but at least we made an effort and everyone's getting to see some more rain in town, which is good. We need the rain. sure. I mean, it showed bright red on the radar, or bright orange. You guys saw that, right? And that's it right there. So we're heading that way. But I have a feeling that we're going to be SOL.
It might be more towards
Holcomb.
Holcomb, yeah.
Yeah. Take a look. Some big storms over Summit over there. Or San G.
Yeah.
San G traps the storm still a lot.
Yeah, it's probably pouring over there on 38. It's like,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, totally. Well guys, at least we're getting good rain. Or decent rain.
it's something.
It is something. It'll pick up a little bit, but check the radar again. It's not much, you guys, but it's something. What? Now it's showing nothing over here.
Yeah.
Told you that would be quick. I mean, literally nothing.
Yeah.
I mean, there's definitely getting hammered over here, and there's definitely going to be lightning over here for sure. But we don't have time to go up there now. I wish we did. Yeah. But maybe we'll catch a couple good lightning strikes.
Yeah.
But in about a mile, let's just turn around.
Yeah. I'll just circle back around to Serrano.
Okay. That'll work. Yeah, we're getting pretty good over here. I'm really waiting to see the lightning. Keep your guys' eyes peeled. Your eyes is peeled. It's gonna be right over there when it happens.
Yeah, and we're just barely catching some of it. Most of it's out in the Holcomb area.
Yeah. We just missed it.
That's okay though. I like to hear that. That means when I go back in there later on, it'll be nice and wet.
Yep.
Muddy.
Oh yeah.
Fun.
Wow.
Keeps the puddles full. That's coming out pretty decent.
Hey, what's up, dude? Alright, man. Alright. Couple minutes, alright? Alright, brother.
Bye.
He wanted to go do some storm chasing too, but
Yeah.
unfortunately he missed it.
Right.
Alright. We're turning around here.
Serrano campground.
At the Serrano campground entrance. It's just basically a little loop. It runs parallel to North Shore. Very cool. There we go. You probably see some lightning straight ahead too. That's pretty gnarly out there. I'm certain we're gonna see some lightning though. I'm certain of it. Man, that's nasty over there. So hope you guys are doing well. It's 2:51 p.m. August 21st, 2020. And yeah, that place looks chill.
Yeah, I like this area over here. The lake is literally right there. You can throw a rock and hit it.
I know, it's so. It'd be closer if they fill it up.
Yeah.
the loop, you guys, just like Kevin said. And now we're heading back. It looks like we're getting some building up of some storms over here too. So that's good.
Discovery Center to the left.
Yes, sir.
That's been closed for quite a while as well because of COVID and all that.
Oh yeah. I thought you were gonna say just permanent. Oh guys, it's dark over there. That's Snow Summit right there, and Bear Mountain is to the left, you guys. It's really, really beautiful out here.
Gorgeous. Temperature-wise, it just feels great too.
It really does. It's so nice. It's like 200 million degrees down the hill.
Yeah, I know.
It's perfect up here. So if you love winter, this is the perfect place to live because the summers are perfect and you get an okay winter. Yeah, there's definitely some moisture over there. So we get back over.
This?
Yep. and then yeah. I can't remember the other one.
Right.
But those were the pins for the thunderstorms today.
Right. Well, you know.
Man, seriously, I just love that. Surprised there aren't any big ass rainbows.
It's not as busy up here as I thought it would be.
Oh, it's Friday, that's right, huh?
Friday.
Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. It's not last Friday, holy moly.
Yeah, it was.
It took me almost 2 hours to get back from Fonskin on this North Shore. I couldn't believe it. And there wasn't an accident. It's just so many people
Just a lot of
just
people.
having problems right here. And it backed up all the way to Fonskin. Almost to Fonskin. Alright guys, as you know, it's Stanfield Cutoff. This is a place to get beautiful views on both sides. This is the San Bernardino side towards the ocean. And then if you look over there, that is the Baldwin Lake side towards the desert. And it's nasty over there right now. Very. It's nasty over there and straight ahead. Yeah, you're right. Highway 38 is getting it right now. But anyway, guys, that'll do it. Oh, sorry about that. Got some water on there. That'll do it. We're done for the day. I think, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I think. Well, let's see what we just drove through right there. That's a big cloud. That's beautiful. All right, guys. Peace out. Take care. August 21st, 2020.
Have a good day, guys.
Bye.